This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play a classic finger game. This game is a fun and quick way to settle small decisions or just enjoy a friendly competition with a friend. It requires just 2 players and no equipment, making it perfect for any time, anywhere. We'll cover the 3 basic gestures and how they interact, so you'll be ready to play in no time. Let's dive into the 3 essential gestures you'll use. First, we have rock, formed by making a tight fist. Next, paper is represented by a flat, open hand with all fingers extended. Finally, scissors is made by extending your index and middle fingers, forming a V shape. Practice these a few times to get comfortable before you start playing. Now, let's understand how to win. The rules are straightforward. Rock, a closed fist, always crushes scissors. Paper, your open hand, covers rock. And finally, scissors, with its 2 extended fingers, cuts paper. Remember these 3 simple interactions, and you'll know exactly which gesture beats which in every round. It's all about anticipating your opponent. To play a round, both players face each other. On the count of 1, 2, 3, shoot, or a similar agreed-upon phrase, you both simultaneously reveal your chosen gesture. Compare your hands to determine the winner based on the rules we just discussed. The player with the winning gesture earns 1 point. Play to a set number of points, like 5, to decide the overall champion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.